So let's get going. Break number 490. This is 2 boxes of 2015 Bowman's Best, 120 cards total, 8 autographs total. We're going to go ahead and not wait. By the time people get here, we'll be ready to go through cards. I'm going to get them all out. We'll go ahead and get both boxes out. I hate pausing to rip in the middle of a break, especially a quantity break like this one. If there was a case, I could see that to must be a ton of sitting and ripping. We got them all out before a case. And then you can separate boxes easier if you do them one by one, but I'm just going to get them all out on this one. Alright, these were the last of the 3 daytime breaks I had posted. I do have a 2017 Museum. We're going to break here after a little bit. I have 3 boxes of 2016 Finest. I haven't thought about if I want to put them all together, divide those up or anything. Curious of your input on that. And then I have 1 box of 2017 Diamond Kings on hand. I've been ordering some cases and getting them here. I can't quite do case breaks yet. One, I don't think the group is quite ready for them. They take a really long time to fill and they struggle. 2, if they do go like that, then I can't afford to buy back other products, so we're sitting here with no breaks if we wait on cases to fill. We'll get there eventually where we can just like post 1 a week or something and go from there. But I will break those down into maybe single or multi-box breaks. I got a case of Pantheon coming, 8-box case, and a case of 2016 National Treasures Collegiate. Man, I cannot say that word correctly. That was a 4-box case. And then I got a 8-box case of 2016 Black Gold Professional Football on its way as well. Let's see if that mini box is stuff the trash. Alright, these foil packs, I don't like to cut them because they're a little bit too tight. I'm going to do with them. When are we doing hockey? Alright, you got 1%. I don't know you're going to make it since we got to unwrap so many cards. Sorry if it took a little while. On the payment thing, that's why I say best to pay when you choose your team. That way we don't have to hold up randomization in the break. I had to wait a little while on a couple of these breaks. A little slower than some. I know some of these are base cards, and some of you might rather me handle them really quickly. I don't like to risk beating up corners. I don't like to put fingerprints on your cards. Like Diamond Kings, I'll touch the front of those. It's the true cardboard surface, but with this foil surface, try not to touch the front of the card. Takes a little longer to do it that way. Please, I'm scared to sound like an idiot, Brett. I do not know hockey one bit. At some point, yeah, we can do it. My budget's been a little limited, so I like to buy stuff that you guys want, like as a group. Stuff that will fill. If I see something fill quick, I usually buy it again. I'd say we could get Chad Bates to do hockey. He breaks in our room as well. But I don't think he knows hockey either. How many packs we were working with here? 12 packs per box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to separate box 1 and 2 by a penny sleeve, just in case any of you want to know. Let's stick a penny sleeve in there right now. So when we get to that, we know we're on box 2. I don't know the last time I've opened these. 2015 Bowman's Best. I forgot how they looked. Pretty cool. There's 3 of those really thick cards in that first box. 4 of those really thick cards. I thought you usually only got like 1 of those in a box. We haven't seen 1 yet out of this box. Speak of the devil. Alright, almost there. Should have told you this was a good time for a bathroom break. What? Just rambling while I'm ripping. Alright, 1 more pack to get out. And we can go through this stack. Barely fit in my trash can. Alright, good luck everybody. We are finally ready. Regular card pile, top loader pile. And let's go. Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Mirror Image. Forgot about those. Coin flip Twins and Reds. Who's got them? John Sakaris and Ryan McCoy going to be going down on a coin flip. That one is, his names are so small, Miguel Sano and Todd Frazier. We'll do that when we're done. James Caprillion for the Yankees. Michael Pineda, Yankees. Luis Severino, Yankees 3 in a row. Jacob Wilson is our first hit for the Cardinals. On-card autograph. Going to Javi Osario. That one unnumbered. Carlos Beltran, Yankees. Red Sox, Blake Sweetheart, rookie. Anthony Rendon, Nationals, Tyler Kolek for the Marlins. Dansby Swanson, first impressions. This one for the Arizona Diamondbacks. This is a cool insert. Dustin Pedroia, Red Sox. Eduardo Rodriguez, rookie, Red Sox. Giants, Buster Posey. Rangers, Dylan Tate. Mirror Image, Giants. And Diamondbacks, Dansby Swanson, Brandon Crawford. That one going to a coin flip. Javi Osario and Giants are Justin Jenkins. Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers. Cornelius Randolph, Phillies. Royals, Johnny Cueto. Colby Allard, Braves. And our second hit is Chris Heston for the Giants. On-card autograph headed to Justin Jenkins. Rookie auto. Garrett Cole for the Pirates. Paul Goldschmidt. That one, I can't remember the parallel, but there's a parallel. Joey Votto, Reds. And then the thick card here is Monty Thomas for the D-backs. Corey Seager, Dodgers. Josh Donaldson, numbered out of 150 for the Blue Jays. That Goldschmidt numbered? No. That one, the blue parallel, nice card. This one, mirror image, Andrew Benintendi and Mike Trout, Red Sox and Angels. That one will be between Margaret Denardes and Ryan Cordova. Freddie Freeman, Braves. Another Freddie Freeman, Braves. If that's a parallel, I don't see it. I'm so bad about that. That's my biggest weakness on breaking. Rafael Devers, Red Sox, and DJ Stewart for the Orioles is our next hit on card autograph. Will be headed to John Sakaris. How's my pronunciation there? Sakaris? That's my guess. You might have answered that one before. Devin Travis, rookie for the Blue Jays. Jacob deGrom, Mets. Starling Marte, Pirates. Austin Meadows, Pirates. This one with cracked ice version. Mark Appel for the Astros. Athletics, Richie Martin. Zach Greinke, Dodgers. White Sox, Chris Sale. Royals, Raul Mondesi. Mirror image, Royals and Pirates. Eric Hosmer and Josh Bell. That one going to be between Chad Sayan and Chris Saunders. Astros rookie Carlos Correa. Blue Jays Jose Bautista. Reds Todd Frazier. Oh, this will be the end of box 1. Tyler Stevenson for the Reds. And next hit is Jock Peterson for the Dodgers. Rookie on-card auto. Final hit of box 1 is going to go to Shannon Broadway. Adam Wainwright, Cardinals. Resny Castillo, rookie, Red Sox. Rockies, Nolan Arenado. Thick card of J.P. Crawford for the Phillies finishes out box 1. All right, box 2 coming up. Nick Gordon, Twins. Green, Corey Kluber, 74 out of 99 for the Indians. That one headed to Ryan Cordova. Mirror image here, Mariners and Rangers. Felix Hernandez, Dylan Tate, Justin Jenkins, and Charles Henderson. I'm going to do a randomization. I'm saying these names wrong. No, I'm not. Never mind. $4.90. I feel like I said something wrong over there. $4.91. Never mind. I feel like I called Charles Henderson earlier, and he maybe it was just that he got the Yankees, and I noticed it. All right, moving on. Aaron Nola, Phillies. Nelson Cruz, Mariners. Ian Happ, Cubs. Carson Fulmer for the White Sox is our next hit. On-card autograph. Headed to Margaret. A.E. Denardi's having a hot day. Pulling some good hits numerous times. Trevor Rosenthal, Cardinals. Michael Wacha, Cardinals. Carlos Gomez, Astros. Michael Conforto, Mets. Andrew Benintendi, first impressions for the Red Sox. Pirates, Starling Marte. Margaret getting that Benintendi also. Brett Gardner, Yankees. Adam Jones, Orioles. Royals, Ash Russell. Mirror Image, Dodgers and Brewers. Jock Peterson and Ryan Braun. That one between Shannon Broadway and David James. We would coin flip all of those. Kyle Tucker for the Astros. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. Josh Naylor, Marlins. And our second hit is Phil Bickford for the San Francisco Giants. Now that one looking like a refractor. Not that I can ever identify a refractor. No number on them. For the Giants, that one going to go to Justin Jenkins. Personally, I'm not a big fan of Bowman's Best just because you can get a sweet rookie or a sweet first-year player, but too many of the kind of no-names. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Jose Reyes, Rockies. I get requests for it, though, so that's why I buy it. Noah Syndergaard, rookie, Mets. Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays is the next thick card. Aaron Blair for the Diamondbacks. Next hit is Manny Margot for the Red Sox. A name I know. This one will be going to Margaret A.E. Denardi's. Hot streak. Garrett Richards for the Angels. Mariners, Robinson Cano. Billy Hamilton, Reds. Chris Sale, White Sox, thick card. Bo Burrows for the Tigers. Yankees and Marlins, mirror image. Aaron Judge, Giancarlo Stanton. Now there's a cool one. That one is going to be a interesting coin flip between the Yankees, Charles Henderson, and the Marlins, Shannon Broadway. Shannon with a shot at getting something wasn't expecting. Jake Arrieta, Cubs. Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Red Sox, Hanley Ramirez. Phil Bickford, Giants. Next hit is Jorge Mateo for the Yankees, on card. Autograph. This one headed to Charles Henderson. Yeah, she is on a heater. I agree. It seems to happen here and there. It's fun to see. Like some people will go on long stretches of hot streaks. Some people get hot for a break or hot for a day, and then some get cold. I feel bad when that happens. Robert Stevenson, Reds. Corey Kluber, Indians. Prince Fielder, Rangers. Kyle Schwarber, Cubs. Blue Jays, Troy Tulowitzki, Cracked Ice. Craig Kimbrell, Padres. Rays, Chris Archer. Dallas Keuchel, Astros. And Cracked Ice Thick Card, Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Finishes out the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I was thinking we had one more left, but there's 8 there. Alright, these cards will be top loaded when I go to sort. And I'll do these hits before we do the coin flips in case anybody wants to see. Jorge Mateo, Yankees, Manny Margot. Red Sox, Phil Bickford. Giants, Carson Fulmer. White Sox, Jock Peterson, rookie auto. Dodgers, DJ Stewart for the Orioles. Chris Heston. Giants and Jacob Wilson, Cardinals. Now, since these cards are not numbered and are not a hit, we just do an old-fashioned coin flip on them. That's what we've always done. We can't change it now. That would be wrong. Even though we got a cool Aaron Judge flip. And of course, there's my coin. Slid under the printer. Alright, I'm going to sleeve all these real quick just so I can handle them easier. And the way we do it, I need to type this out. It's been the same way. You can go to past breaks, and others can vouch in case you're new to it. The top or the left player is heads, and the bottom or the right is tails. And with these cards, since the back is this way on all of them, we're going to go with that is right side up. If it was more than one player, we'd do a dice roll and assign numbers just like that. If there's players like on all 4 corners, we go clockwise, starting with top left. All right, first card out is going to be Reds, Twins. Reds will be heads, Twins, tails. I'll pop it out here. Once I get it, I'll pick it up. You guys can see it. We have tails going to the Twins. And MI12 Twins. Card number 2, Giants are heads, and D-backs are tails. This one is also tails. That will go to the Diamondbacks. Brandon Crawford, Dansby Swanson, MI15. Next one is Angels, Red Sox. Angels are heads. This is a pretty good one. Red Sox being tails there. This card is going to go to the Angels as we have heads. MI19 to the Angels. Next one is Royals, Pirates. Royals are heads, Pirates are tails. That one is tails. Going to the Pirates. Josh Bell, Eric Hosmer, MI5. Mariners, Rangers, Mariners, heads, Rangers, tails. That one is tails. A lot of tails this time. Going to the Rangers, MI 17. Two more left. Brewers, heads, Dodgers, tails on this one. This one is heads. That will go to the Brewers for number MI 11. And the last one, Marlins will be heads, Yankees will be tails for MI 1. It's still on the table there, you can see it back there. And this one is heads. That one will go to the Marlins in a surprise MI 1. Alright, that was break number 490. Get those divided out. And got more breaks coming up soon. At 17 Museum, got some 16 Finest and the 17 Diamond Kings. I'll post one soon. Have a good evening, or I'll see you soon, one or the other.